Hello, in front of me I've got a Carthago Chic S-Plus I50 LE, which it says is a new vehicle. Now I think I might say that Carthago is possibly my favourite brand, and this vehicle here is going to come at a cost of, can you see that? 272,870. So, oh, that's great. I'll have a couple. This thing here, you put in a 5.6 ton basis. So it weighs ready to go 4.3. You've got stacks of payload. I mean, there's a lot of extra equipment to it as well. 791 centimeters by 227. That's quite good, actually. By 312.5 centimeters. Right, that's first impression. Well, it looks very much like many of the other Carthago motorhomes. You've got a bed up there, and down here you've got where Carthago really does shine. It's this brilliant double floor. Look at all that space down there, and we'll have a look at that again from the outside if we don't get kicked out beforehand. You've got under here in front of me, got a place there to keep your shoes, and let's come to this very nice kitchen. So I would like to do this slower, but I'm just worried about getting kicked out of here. Got there, look at that, that's original. Nobody else does a gas burner like that. Isn't that nice? And in here we will find where we have the sink. Lots of people do sinks that look like that. Right, elegant place for glasses. We've got here storage, and this coffee thing here, what Carthago called a few years ago a coffee solution. I think the only solution actually would be to get a better one. That'd be my idea, but it drops down should you want to use it, which I wouldn't recommend. On the other side we've got a grill up here. We've got a clever freezer and fridge which both opens in both directions, and we've also got something I really appreciate, which is this apotheca also, which is a pull-out pantry. I learnt the word from my own videos because somebody told me. In English the word that is to say. Oh, isn't this a nice kitchen block as well? Very nicely done. Right, so step up here. I don't want to see steps in vehicles, so I must have to point that one out. Here we've got, we can close this up here, nice big toilet, molded sink, very attractive. What's it like in here? Just as attractive. Can I open this? Yes, I can. Well, the duct board's down. I'm not going to take it out as I'm holding the phone in my hand, but there we have the shower with a skylight up there. There's also a skylight here, and this makes us really, it makes a dressing room because you can keep your clothes in there. There's a wardrobe, and I also like to wear my suit on the campsite, and so I could keep it in there. This also is really well done. Best one done on the market is the Carthagos opening up here. Other companies have them even at the cheap end, but none of them have as easy to open as this Carthago, and you can also open it down here as well. I bet the light would come on, but as I don't want to be embarrassed by it not coming in, I'm not going to try and open it. There's your telly, comes out like that. Storage all around. Can't stand the waste of space in corners. Obviously nobody from Carthago has been watching my videos, so that shouldn't be like that. It says here long single beds, sorry. There you go. 201 centimeters on one side, 200 the other by 85, and you've got the bits joining it as well. So you can't, I couldn't really tell actually there was a difference in size, but this is only 2 centimeters. Maybe I shall be forgiven for that. Very nice wardrobe. This will also close. Of course, you have to release it here like that. That will close there, and let's see. There you go. So now we're closed in here. Of course, we could actually be closed in here instead. There you go. That now makes the living, what do you call it, dressing room that I mentioned earlier. You can also actually separate this from the toilet like that, you see, so you can make it even more enclosed anyway. Right, so for those who are claustrophobic, I shall put that back there. Let's come out. Really clever double floor. Right, so better come up before we get kicked out. I like to sit in the chair and talk about this, but I don't think I'm going to do it right now. Right, fantastic double floor storage, a garage here which will take 450 kilos. Alright, so again, that's really top of the market. Fuses there. I'd rather see the fuses inside if anybody from Carthago is watching. Right, let's have a look at the back. That's what the rear looks like. Let's now come here. This is the this thing here. Actually, this grill is the thing that covers the electrics. Actually, I'll go back to that because this is an important thing. Because I do want to say the negative things as well. I got the opinion. I don't want, if I need to get to the fuse box, I don't want to start unscrewing things or anything else like that. So if I need to get here, I need to do it immediately without, or here. I really don't want to start messing around with that. So that's one thing I don't like at all. So I'm trying to be fair here and point out everything. Right. So here we're going to get a good look at the double floor with all of that storage in here. Now they did have access from the main body to the double floor. I think they might have put a stop there. I'm not certain though. I wasn't quite certain from where I looked before. Maybe that's not the case. But in any case, there's huge amounts of double floor, and that is absolutely outstanding. Now, there's even a step up for the driver, assuming that. There you go. Look at that. 2 steps up, in fact, if you like. So 1 and 2. Actually, it is quite high when I think about it. Yeah, so that's a good idea, putting that step there. Lovely driving position. And you know that, as soon as I opened it, the step came out. But not when I close it. What's happened here? I think, I wonder, oh, there you go. Didn't close up well enough. Right, Chic S-Plus Motorhome from Carthago. I wanted to do that in 3 minutes, and it's taken me 8, and I haven't really shown you anything yet. And I think it's pretty brilliant. But if I, for well over €250,000, then you'd expect something pretty brilliant, wouldn't you? Anyway, very, very nice. Carthago liner. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.